real light. That's what I get from my truck. I had one on the Toyota, but
yeah, they work.
yeah.
Starter looked fine. I didn't even see no like move.
That's the one that you took out of your car?
New starter?
Yeah.
This new wheel setup looks good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Travels far to get those wheels.
Cousin Ty's blue notch.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
What flavor cars are on here?
I had those same wheels on the Camaro.
Really?
Yeah.
Slips are huge.
That's what you want.
Don't get too close, you see all the scratches.
Ain't nobody worried about those scratches.
Hopefully that's Amazon with that power box.
That looks real good. We've all got these Scott Rod panels.
I gotta repaint that.
Yeah.
It's not bad as it is.
This is
Bad as you said.
this is common, man. It's really common for that to happen on a.
I wasn't even
Foxbodies.
driving fast.
I was at the track when it happened to me.
You just swoop on the track?
Yeah.
Jeez. Your hood's not as bad as mine.
Huh?
This hood's not as bad as mine.
No. My hood's not even that bad. His windshield's more cracked than mine was.
At least I got lucky than my window.
Boy, she looks pretty under there. Oh my goodness. Ooh.
One of these wires are close to my fans, actually.
Can't tell you what this motor is.
People know.
Do they?
Yeah.
They don't know, but they're gonna know.
They knew.
This was a top dog for a while.
You two people don't know.
It's on YouTube. This car's on YouTube.
Is it?
Oh yeah, you're right.
845 street racing, I think.
Oh yeah, okay.
Big sound, fully popped. I went and got the tires. That's what I do.
Yep.
Yeah, looks good.
You can see if maybe it's got juice. See if it'll start. I don't know.
Okay, kill switch on.
Turn that on. I'll get my crack in there.
No power.
One of them starter wires is not touching it.
Have to go get a battery.
Forwards for you, always leaving it straight, dude.
Just
I
a
ran
bat-
out of breath.
Huh?
Oh, you are too.
That's his old blue. What's that back of that shirt say?
No fox given.
No fox given.
No fox is given.
You don't care about foxes? Day in the life. It's a day in the life. Look, even left toll monies.
Yo. Either that or it's getting too close. Or maybe the starter comes out too far, I don't know. But like you said, you had the other starter on there and it was starting up fine, but